Hey guys, it's your girl Cosmic T, and I'm back again. This time it's not a 10-point star. It's refrigerator magnets, and I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my life straight. Yeah, I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my life straight. Yeah. Okay, I get busy sometimes. Okay, I have a lot of stuff going on besides creating art and stuff like that, and I have to edit and all of that. But look guys, check out the magnets I've made within the last past 8 years. I made that when my daughter was like 4 years old. It's a picture magnet mode, and there's a star, there's some letters, and those are ones that I just made recently. So I don't know, tell me if you guys are interested.